Hi Valentina, this is Clarice. Now I will teach you to use the LED bracelets. First, press on button. You can see the pink LED bracelet flash, green LED bracelet flash, just like this. Now if you want the pink LED bracelets to work, just press pink button, pink. You can see the pink LED bracelets flash only. Now you can choose the flash modes. Flash slowly, flash quickly, steady on, more quickly. Next, if you want the green LED bracelets to work, you can press the green button. You can see now the green bracelets flash only, the pink is off. Now you can choose the flash modes. Flash slowly, flash quickly, steady on, more quickly. Now if you want all the bracelets, all the 130 bracelets to work, you can press the off button and then press on button. All the bracelets will work. Off.